Hi, it's Nico from AIMIX Group. Very glad to share our factory with you today. AIMIX Group mainly engaged in construction machine manufacture, with more than 30 years developing. Now AIMIX Group is a top manufacturer in China. Every year, we have hundreds of asphalt plants produced and export to more than 100 countries until now. Besides the headquarters in China, AIMIX Group also built factory in Pakistan, warehouse in Uzbekistan, and service office in Malaya, Philippines, and Indonesia. This is CNC cutting machine, which can ensure the cutting accuracy. All of steel material can meet national standard, and there are many advanced processed equipment like the short blast henry machine, shearing machine, and so on in our workshop. And this is rolling machine. Drill machine for make hole on the steel plate. This CNC lathe machine, which makes sure higher precision and more smooth of steel surface. This workshop is welding workshop. Here you can see robot welding machine, which can ensure more evenly welding gap and much higher welding strength. Now from the video you can see it is doing weld of the mixer. Cold aggregate biter. It is the first part of asphalt plant. Aggregate dryer, which uses Sweden hard dog steel for the lining plate. Burner of the dryer include gas, diesel, and heavy oil burner for choose. Mixer, it is the heart of the asphalt plant. Linear vibrating screen. Compared with circular vibrating screen, it is more easily on maintenance. Bucket elevator. Main shaft of the bucket elevator is processed by heat treatment, which ensures the strength can increase about 30% after heat treatment. And dust filler there has the wet dust filler and the bag dust filler for choose. Here is the luxury control room. Outside this room, it is made by the steel plate, and decoration with wooden door and tempered glass. This is strong cabinet inside the control room. All electric parts use Siemens or Schneider. Most important is that all wire line is connected orderly. Make sure easily assembly at your installation site. Weak cabinet. There has different control button on the control panel. About this plant, you can choose automatic or semi-automatic control. Thanks for your time. Please freely contact AIMIX Group for further information. Welcome you visit AIMIX Group.